So which of the following commands will add a variable total with the sum of x, y, z to the table A? So A dot, so I'm going to create a variable total. So I'm going to add x, y, z. So A dot total equal to A dot x plus A dot y plus A. I think this is correct. I'm not giving time because we are running out of time. We should complete this session shortly. This data in multiple table variables. So how to create a numeric array named home record that contains home wins and home things. So that's what you are going to specifically get these two columns from the array. So I am giving home record equal to EPL of all the rows, and I am going to have only home wins or home loss. So is home record defined correctly? How we are going to define the home record? Maybe spacing issues. I didn't use space properly. So if you have the spacing issues, I think that should be clear. Create a numeric array named away record. So same way contains the away and wins and away records in EPL. Then sum the value and create a matrix called record. Okay, so same thing we are doing here. I'm creating away record with away wins and away draws, and I'm adding both. I'm adding this record, which is home record plus away record. So it is correct. And finally, add the total variables to EPL and use the data in the record. So I'm going to add the total wins and total draws into EPL, and I'm going to use the data in the record, and I'm going to do that. So see here, EPL of, I'm going to add all the rows, select these two columns into the record. This is done. I think we'll have two more quiz questions, which will store the information in home wins and in your 7x1 numerical array called home wins. How to extract the home wins alone. How to extract from EPL the home wins alone. That is what is asked. Three methods are discussed here. You can check it later. And one more quiz. So how can I store the home wins and away wins for a Manchester from a particular MW? So MW, I'm going to store only home wins and away wins for Manchester City and Manchester. For these two rows, I'm going to store home wins and away wins. So row number 3 and 4, home wins and away wins. I think this should be one thing, and this should be. No. We have to think and give the answer. Home wins and away wins. I think this one should be correct. These two. Maybe we'll see. That is the summary we have. Whatever we have seen today, that is the summary.